Hi, I'm Dr. Gonzalez here at AK Chiropractic in Plano, Texas. One of the things that sometimes people worry about is the popping sound at a chiropractic office. So that popping sound actually comes from a joint that's encapsulated, so the joint's actually nice and tightly held together by ligaments. There is a liquid that keeps it lubricated. That's called synovial fluid. So what happens is when you go beyond that normal range of motion of that joint, you put that pressure in that liquid, well, liquid will turn into a gas, so you hear a little gas escape, so you're cavitating the joint. So if that's typically what we do in our office, we will adjust the spine and you will get that popping sound. That is something that we can adjust any bone in your body. But there is a choice. If you do not like the popping sound, if you use something that does scare you, there are choices, and that is certain instruments. So one of the instruments that we have is an arthrostem. So what it does is a very repetitive way of moving or stimulating the joint. So you're going to hear a little, so the harder we press, the more pressure it does. So that repetitive movement can actually cause to facilitate that joint or to relax the muscles or to cause a shift in the joints. So that is one of the instruments that we use. Another of my favorite instruments that has saves my thumbs is the percussor. So you're going to hear a little. So it's going to do two things. That muscle, we're going to find that there's quite a bit of imbalances when you have joint pain. You're going to have quite imbalances on the muscles. They're doing half the work, carrying half the weight. So certain muscles are going to be overworking. Certain muscles are going to be not doing their job. Typically, by the way, we find that most people have the pain on the muscles that are actually working, not the ones that are not working. They're the ones picking up the slack. So what that percussion is going to do is going to help facilitate that muscle into either overexcite it or actually do the opposite. It's going to actually get the tone to go down. So I love it because it brings balance into those muscles. So today at AK Chiropractic, we are looking at lining the joints and working with the muscles and balancing those muscles.